morning, party people. Some really exciting news. I'm gonna do a home decor vlog today. And I'm really excited because my place is finally coming together and it feels more like a home rather than a space that I live in. You know what I'm saying? So yesterday my parents, it's literally like 8 o'clock in the morning. Yesterday my neighbors moved out and they offered me their couch. And I looked at it and it was like a chocolate brown, which isn't really what I envisioned for my space, but I was like, you know, maybe this is a blessing in disguise. Maybe the universe, maybe this was meant to happen. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yeah, sure, I'll take it. And at first I was like, oh my God, why am I taking this? It's so huge. It's so wrong of a color. And then I actually put it in this space and it actually looks so good. I actually really love it. Look at it. It definitely looks better when there's sun outside. It's really gloomy outside, but like when the sun hits this chocolate brown, oh my gosh, it just glows and it just makes this space look so perfect. And I love how this looks with like the greenery in the background. The thing with this couch is that it's so traditional, like it's very American and like very traditional of like a sectional, but like the surrounding furniture is what builds the space, not the one sofa. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not one piece that makes a space, it's the surrounding furniture. It's like everything together. So the greenery, like the house plants that I have back here, it kind of like adds to the whole like look. And then I have like palm trees outside my window. So I don't know, it just like, it looks okay. And well, it's more than okay. I love it. But just looking at this by itself, I was like, I really don't know if this is gonna work. And then it ended up working out really well. I freaking love it. I do need to get this professionally cleaned. The thing about my neighbors is that their child is a child actor and they're originally from Ohio and they only come to LA when he's filming his show. So they're only here for like half of the year, like 6 months of the year. So this couch that they have, they've had it for a year, but it's only had like 6 months of use. So it was like in really great condition. I still want to get it professionally cleaned though, because you know when you like go into someone's house and it like smells like someone else's house, this couch smells like someone else's house and I just like want it to smell like my house. So I am gonna get it professionally cleaned. I don't know how to do that, but I will Yelp it, I'll Google it, I'll figure out how to do something like that. Also, shout out to Angie for the couch. Love you guys so much. You really made my space a different space and I'm very grateful for that, so thank you. And then they also gave me this dresser. I was like looking up credenzas or like sideboards online and I don't know why credenzas are so expensive. I saw one for like $5,000 once and I was like, what is that? But they gave me this dresser. It's just from IKEA, but I really like the wood, the color of this wood. At first I was like, I don't want to mix woods because the wood in my kitchen is like a gray, like it's very modern in here and I feel like this one still looks modern, but I don't know, I just didn't want to mix woods. But then I was like, well, honestly, like I'm gonna mix colors. Like why stick to one color? I guess what I'm trying to say here is that I'm expanding my horizons. You know, I'm not gonna like limit myself. I'm just gonna play around and see what works and what doesn't work. And it's not the end of the world if I don't like something because I could always return it and then like do something else with the space. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really trying to not be perfect and I'm trying to explore and experiment with different things. And I just really love the way that this turned out and I'm glad I accepted it when they offered it to me. And then on top of here, this used to be over there by the door. This is where I put my keys and stuff, but I put it over here because I felt like it looked really cool on this little dresser. This is a vase that my mom got from Japan. Well, she got it when we lived in Japan. This was just in storage because I didn't have anywhere to put it, but now I do. And then I have my 2 candles. This is Joe Malone and this is Diptyque. And then I have my electric lighter and my showed this to you guys yet, but it's an electric lighter. Very, very cool. It doesn't need any lighter fluid. You just charge it with a USB and then you can reuse it, which is really cool. And then I just have this fake plant from Home Goods. But I really needed some like storage furniture to put like odds and ends in, you know what I'm saying? Like all of this stuff that's over here that doesn't have a home, it can now find a home in this dresser. So I'm really enjoying this whole thing. I love it. This area I kind of want to make into like a wellness corner. So as you can see, I had like a little table here, and it has like my salt lamp, and it has like my diffuser and my incense and things like that. I kind of want to put maybe like a short bookcase or something, and then have like plants on it because the sun hits this wall perfectly. So maybe I'll like put plants on it and like make this my wellness corner. Maybe I'll like get like a rug. I don't know. I just want this to be my wellness corner. I haven't figured out what I want to do here yet, but this is what it's currently looking like. I also want to get like a little console table so that I can get rid of these two tables and have it like just one table to put plants on. I think that would look a lot better. And then this lamp I just got from IKEA. This was in my last apartment, but now it's down here. Oh, and then this was my old couch. Do not ever buy this couch from IKEA, you guys. The thing with this couch is it looks great, you know, like looks fantastic, but the back is very short and it's also like tilted. It's like at an angle. So when you sit down on it, let me see if I can show you. So like when you sit down on it, this is what happens. Like you can't, like, it's so uncomfortable to sit here. So if you ever see this couch at IKEA, do not purchase it. Run very, very far away. But anyway, I'm gonna go to Home Goods today to find some, you know, like interesting pieces. I just want to see what they have, look at their bookcases or like, you know, other stuff like that. I will probably go to Home Depot because I want to get a house plant that is like bigger, like ones that you like put on the floor and not ones that you like put on a table, because the ones that I have are very, very tiny. And I kind of want like a big leaf one, since I actually know how to take care of plants now. Two of my plants have died. This one I put out there because I was too lazy to take it down, but this one died because I overwatered it on accident, but now I know not to overwater them. And this one, I'm actually not sure what's going on with this one. I went to Boston. I was gone for 24 hours and then all of a sudden like it ended up like this. I don't know, maybe it's because I left the AC on accident and it was in like the direct line of fire of the air conditioner. That's probably what happened. But yeah, she has not been able to be revived, so maybe I will just replace her when I go to Home Depot. And then yeah, let's get going. But first it's really early in the morning, so I'm gonna get a smoothie real quick, like a protein smoothie, because I'm starving and I need something in my stomach. I look like jet lagged. Oh, I'm recovered. I was sick last week, so that's probably what it is. I have no fluids in my body. That's probably what it is. So that's why I'm getting a smoothie. Got a chai spice smoothie. The thing about paper straws is that they don't last a long time, so I'm gonna have to drink this very quickly. Don't know what to do without you. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah. I don't know what to do without you. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Probably get this for my office, just to put like a bunch of junk on it. Super cute. Oh, there's two different kinds. Oh. Okay, got some pillows, got a cart for my office, and then I got that really cool like coral thing. Ah, it's so cute! I freaking love it! On this side? Or should it go on this side? What happens if I put it in the middle? Oh, that's kind of cool, if I put it in the middle. And then let me see what this looks like when I put a photo there. I bought 3 of them because I wasn't sure which one would look better up there. So option number 1 is this like really nice painting. I love pink, and this has a little bit of pink on it. And then it also has like a light blue. It looks really terrible on camera, but it is so beautiful in person. And I'm not even sure if I want to like nail it up there. I kind of just want to lay it on the wall like this. That looks really cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's kind of cute. What if I scoot this over and then put one of my other, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh wow, okay. What if I scoot that over and then put one of the other photos on the other side? Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Ooh. So I got 2. I got one that's more of like a teardrop shaped leaf. And then I also got, I don't know what shape this type of leaf is, but I also got this one. And this is my top favorite, and then I got the second one as like a second option. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like layer it. Honestly, that looks cool. I kind of like the way that looks because it's 2 different heights, so it like goes like that. I kind of like the way that looks. So let me show you the pillows that I bought. It was actually really difficult to come up with a color palette for pillows because this couch is chocolate brown, and I've never worked with chocolate brown before, so it was like, I don't know, it was really weird trying to figure out like patterns and colors for pillows. But I figured I would go with like neutral colors, like, you know, like tans and blacks and whites. So I got 2 of these. And then I got 2 of these like linen pillows. They're like a nude color or like a tan color, and it has like a white trimming. I actually wasn't sure if this was gonna look right, but I could always return it if it doesn't. But I just bought them just to see what it looks like. And then I bought these smaller pillows just to have like diversity in size. These ones are actually like a navy blue. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that, but let's see what happens. That looks kind of cool. I don't know, what do you guys think? I have no idea how to place pillows on couches, especially a sectional. It looks fine, I just am not like in love with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not excited when I look at this. Maybe I'll feel differently when it's not gloomy outside. Honestly, my whole mood today has been very like, bleh. And I think, well, 1, because I'm on my period, and 2, it's very gloomy outside and I'm not really loving this weather. I do not thrive in this weather. But yeah. Oh, actually from this angle it looks kind of cool. I don't know, I like the work that I've done today. And you know, everything might change like in 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just experimenting right now because I still don't fully understand or know what my interior design style is. And I was going to get a plant today, but I have my acting class today, so I don't think I have enough time to do that. Perhaps I'll do a separate video on like plant shopping, because if this is like dead, then I want to buy a new one. At least I know how to take care of plants now. Do not overwater them and don't put them directly in front of an air conditioner. Got it. I'm gonna switch this. See what that looks like. Yeah, I still don't know what I want to do here either, but for now I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then in the next home decor vlog it will probably change it up, or it will probably already be different. But for now I like the way that this looks. I like that I'm finally filling up my space, because before it used to feel so empty because the ceilings are so high and there also is just a lot of square footage in here. And you know, because the ceilings are high, there's a lot of wall, and I didn't have a lot of furniture in here before, so I'm glad I have this to like take up space, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, I'm adding like pillows with textures and patterns and things like that, so it just looks more busy, which I surprisingly like, because I thought I was into like that whole minimalism trend, but I'm kind of liking how busy this looks in this space in particular. So I don't know, it's looking cozy and it feels more like a home now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. This is so heavy. I might have to like hire someone literally to just bring it downstairs because it's so heavy. I cannot do this by myself. Oh, side note, you guys, if you are a single person living in an apartment and you have an elevator, granted you have an elevator, I would highly recommend looking into a little wagon like this. It makes bringing up groceries so much easier, and bringing up anything that's like kind of heavy, especially if you live in an apartment. So I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like 60 bucks or something like that, which is a small price to pay for the convenience. And it's also collapsible. It is collapsible, so it's easy to store and it doesn't take up all of the space. So I just like store it in this little closet. Boom. All right, well, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you like home decor vlogs like this. This was actually really fun for me to create because it's something that I'm like doing already, and I don't know, I personally like watching these type of videos, so that's why I decided to make one of my own. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace!